The Anti-Corruption Bureau in the state has officially filed a case against senior BRS leader and former minister KT Rama Rao for alleged irregularities amounting to rupees 55 crore in organizing the Formula E car race held in Hyderabad during the BRS regime in 2023. The first race was held in February 2023 when Rama Rao was a cabinet minister and his father Chandrasekhar Rao was the chief minister. Filing of the case was anticipated as the state cabinet had cleared the decks for the ACB to prosecute Rama Rao. The issue has led to a heated exchange between the BRS and the Congress, with the BRS and Rama Rao demanding a discussion in the legislature.
నిజంగా ఈ ప్రభుత్వానికి చిత్తశుద్ధి ఉంటే ఈ ప్రభుత్వానికి ఏమైనా ప్రజలకు వాస్తవాలు తెలవాలన్న విషయంలో వారికి ఏమైనా నిజంగానే ధైర్యం ఉంటే దయచేసి ఈ రేసులో ఏదో కుంభకోణం జరిగిందన్నారు కదా, దాని మీద చర్చ పెట్టండి. మొత్తం సమాధానం చెప్పడానికి నేను సిద్ధంగా ఉన్నానని చెప్పి మీ ద్వారా తెలియజేస్తా ఉన్నాను.
Uma Sudhir joins me live from Hyderabad. She's been tracking this case all this while. Uma, what's next for KT Rama Rao? This could well turn into perhaps the biggest controversy in Telangana in the coming days.
So there have been two significant political developments today. One, of course, is this 10-page FIR that's been filed with KT Rama Rao being named as accused number 1 and Special Chief Secretary Mr. Arvind Kumar, who is now in the Revenue Department Disaster Management as Special Chief Secretary. He's A2 in this case, and a former Chief Engineer with HMDA who is now retired is A3. There is another case that is also coming up for which a special investigation team was announced by the Chief Minister in the Assembly, and that relates to toll tenders for the outer ring road, and he has announced that SIT will be constituted and its mandate and its framework guidelines will be given by the cabinet, and that also is something that falls within the purview of KT Rama Rao. In the FIR related to the Formula E racing, they are specifically said at under 409, which means criminal breach of trust, criminal misconduct, criminal misappropriation, and also fraudulently taking away money, and for public servants saying that they fraudulently misappropriated government funds and also allowed private individuals to benefit from it, and therefore provisions of the Prevention of Corruption Act as well slapped in this particular case. The violations we have been talking about, saying that oral orders were given, HMDA, which paid out the money, was not even part of a tripartite agreement when in fact it paid out all that money, and that the agreement happened much later than the payout that happened, that remittances to foreign remittances did not have RBI approval, and that this happened during a time when the model code of conduct was in place and part of the payment was made during that time, and none of this had any authorization as is required either from the cabinet or from the finance ministry or even concurrence of the law department in this particular case. So all this is being listed out as violations. I mean, we would expect that the ACB will call him in for questioning KT Rama Rao for questioning in this particular case. Of course, politically, the BRS is fighting it out, saying that we want a discussion in the Assembly, but unlikely that the government is going to have a discussion on something that is part of an investigation by the Anti-Corruption Bureau, for which they've already got a government nod to prosecute KTR, after which all this has unfolded. Back to you.